They're all set. They're off and running. FanFest broke on top. Only now takes a short lead. Spanish Omelet, Flashing Speed came away in third. Royal Natalie, 3 off the pace, racing in fourth. Artemis Priss moving up in traffic fifth. Go for Ginny on the inside is 6. Mambo Rose and Lead Timer next, followed by Fast Included now. And Senorita's Secrets, the first-time starters at the back, 7 lengths off the pace. They're well bunched up the backside. Past the half-mile pole, the opening quarter, 21 4/5 seconds. They're stride for stride. FanFest and only on the outside, ahead back second by 3. Spanish Omelet inching up in the top pair, third by 5 more. Fast Included now driven up 3 wide into the 4th spot. Mambo Rose is racing 5th. Royal Natalie 6 between fillies now. Artemis Priss on the inside. Senorita's Secret, then Lead Time and Go for Ginny at the back. The half in 45 2. And they turn for home. It's FanFest taking the lead off the turn, opening up now. A furlong to go. FanFest by 2.5. Fast Included chugging up the inside. Spanish Omelet, then only final 16th. It's FanFest by a length and a half. Fast Included trying to close the gap. The final strides. FanFest. Here comes Fast Included on the outside. Fast Included in the shadow of the wire. Wins it by a nose. FanFest ran second. Lead Time was third. Then Spanish Omelet.